Selling your home? Watch this. Ready? What if I told you that you could sell your Australian home without a real estate agent and save over $20,000 in fees, using nothing but completely free AI tools? Not theory, not someday. Right now. Today. Here's the exact system. Here's the plan. Let's talk about the elephant in every Australian living room. Real estate agent fees. 2% plus GST on an $800,000 property. That's $1,760 straight out of your pocket. Add $3,000 in marketing fees. Add months of stressful communications between you, the agent, the buyer, and the settlement agent. That's potentially $20,000 plus your sanity. Gone. For what exactly? Because in 2026, free AI can do almost everything a real estate agent does. Better, faster, and for absolutely nothing. Onward. Step 1. Research. Google Gemini. Free. Before listing your property, open Google Gemini and ask it to research current property prices in your exact suburb. Recent sales, days on market, price trends, buyer demand. Gemini connected to real-time Google search gives you the most current and accurate market intelligence available. The same data your agent uses, for free. You'll know exactly what your property is worth before you list it. Step 2. Property listing. Claude by Anthropic. Free. Give Claude your property details, bedrooms, bathrooms, location, features, recent renovations. Claude writes a stunning professional property listing in seconds. Compelling, emotionally engaging, perfectly worded to attract serious buyers. The kind of listing that makes buyers pick up the phone immediately. Better than most agent listings. For free. Step 3. Property video. In video AI. Free. Film a simple walkthrough of your property on your phone. Upload it to InVideo AI. InVideo automatically edits it into a professional property video, with music, captions, and smooth transitions. The kind of video that used to cost $500 from a professional videographer, done in minutes, for free. Step 4. Marketing materials. Canva AI. Free. Canva AI creates stunning professional property brochures, pamphlets, and social media graphics using your property photos. Professional layouts, beautiful design, print ready. The kind of marketing material that makes buyers take your property seriously, for free. And if your property is vacant, Canva AI virtually stages every room with beautiful furniture. Buyers see a warm, inviting home instead of empty walls. Virtual staging that used to cost $2,000, for free. Step 5. Self-listing. Claude or ChatGPT. Free. Claude or ChatGPT helps you list your property on self-listing platforms. Domain, realestate.com.au private listings, Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree. Writes every field perfectly, optimizes every description, gets your property maximum exposure without paying an agent a single dollar. Step 6. Buyer inquiries. Claude. Free. Every buyer inquiry, answered professionally and promptly by Claude. Questions about the property, inspection requests, pricing questions, all handled automatically in seconds. Buyers think they're dealing with a professional agent. They're dealing with free AI. Step 7. Virtual inspections. Free. Can't do a physical open home? Use your professional InVideo property video for virtual inspections. Serious buyers can view the property online before committing to a physical inspection. Saves everyone time. Filters out tire kickers automatically. Step 8. Open home. Just you. Free. When you do your physical open home, you know your property better than any agent ever could. You know the neighbors, you know the school catchment, you know the local cafe, you know why you love living there. That authentic knowledge converts browsers into buyers faster than any scripted agent pitch. Step 9. Contracts and forms. Claude or ChatGPT. Free. Once you have a buyer, Claude or ChatGPT helps you fill in every contract form and document correctly. Every field, every clause, every condition, accurately and professionally. Find a local settlement agent to handle the legal transfer. They typically charge $100 to $2,000, a fraction of a full agent commission. Step 10. Contract review. Claude. Free. Before signing anything, paste every clause of the offer and acceptance into Claude. Claude reviews every single clause and explains exactly what it means in plain English, flags anything unusual, suggests modifications if needed. Your own free legal assistant reviewing every word of your contract. Step 11. Settlement. Sit back and wait. Free. Hand everything to your settlement agent. They handle the title transfer, final checks and settlement day. You sit back and wait. Settlement day arrives. Title changes. Money hits your account. Done. Let's count what you just saved. Real estate agent commission, $1,700. Marketing fees, $3,000. Professional photography, $500. Virtual staging, $2,000. Property video, $500. Total saved, over $23,000. Using completely free AI tools, on your own terms, at your own pace, with nobody taking a percentage of your hard-earned asset. Now, the savings. Real estate agents will tell you this is impossible. They'll tell you buyers only trust agent listings. They'll tell you it's too complicated to do yourself. Of course they will, because every property you sell yourself is $20,000 out of their pocket, not yours. The truth is, Australians have been selling their own homes successfully for years. Free AI just makes it easier, more professional and more effective than ever before. Next section. Australians have more money tied up in property than almost any other nation on earth. That $20,000 agent fee isn't just a fee, it's a holiday, a car, a year of school fees, a significant chunk of your next deposit. Free AI gives every Australian homeowner the power to keep that money where it belongs, in your pocket. Follow Aussie money rules. We are going to guide every Australian through this exact process step by step. Every form, every platform, every AI prompt, everything you need to sell your Australian home yourself. Save $20,000 and never pay an agent commission again. This is the series every Australian homeowner has been waiting for. Subscribe right now. Share this with every Australian homeowner you know.